This is On Tilt Trading with today's live crypto market analysis and pre-trade strategy. First up, we have Solana. Solana got my attention this morning, setting up here near the S3 Camarilla pivot here. Opened up in this area between S3 and S4. This would be an area of discount. So I would be looking for potential buyers in this area for an S3 to an R3 traverse here. This would be my trade idea. Let's go to the weekly for a top-down analysis here. Okay, so this was the previous strong low. Now we can see in these candles here a market structure shift has taken place, and now this would be the new strong low back here. We can see that Solana tested this current strong low and the price rejected, and buyers have taken the price up back to the previous strong low to test that level there. Here on the 4 hour, we can see that we're trading in this range here. We can see the rejection, the volume come in here, this volume profile here, and we can see the rejection here at the top of the range. Very strong here, coming off of this level here with this volume. So quite a lot of buying strength in this particular currency pair here. We can see the isolated pivot put in, then the sell-off found a bottom here, and this would be the R3 level here on the 15-minute, where you can see this consolidation area, and then found support and is now back at this previous 4-hour candle, or at least to test this previous 4-hour candle level, which would be right here. And then if we come up on the 15-minute chart here, let's come in a bit closer. So this is the current range that I have in here, the structural range. Ideally, in order for me to take a trade in Solana, we'd have to get a market structure shift to the short side, and then I would want to have a test of this order block right here to get an entry here below the S3 level. This would be ideal for me in order to be able to take a long position up here to the R3 level. So that would require a sell-off this morning down to these levels. I am uncertain if that would actually happen, but based on my trading rules, that would be the ideal. If not, you can take an entry here at this level, here at this level, also here at this level. So as this is basically stair-stepping up here, my trade idea would be that it would be putting in smaller order blocks all the way down. So for example, if the price, if there was a market structure shift here, I would be reluctant to take any trades here or here. I would wait for here, just because if a currency pair or an instrument comes back on price and breaks through any levels, my assumption would be that it could break through all the levels. So even though I would need Solana to pull back in order to take an entry, it would give me cause for concern if it did come back in this way. And as we can see here, it just put in structurally. The structure just changed. There was a break of structure here. As you can see, this candle here closed above. So we'll bring this here, and this stays the same down here, since this initiated the price action that allowed this candle to close. So now the range of the structure currently is wider, and we can see here in the last two candles, Solana is, or buyers are slowing down, or sellers are stepping in. So we'll see how far, if at all, the price comes back for potential entry here on Solana this morning. Next up is Avalanche. Avalanche got my attention this morning, setting up. We can't see it currently, but this is the S. There it's showing up. This is the S3 level here. Let's redo that. This is the S3 level here. This is the S4 level here. This is the R3 level here. So my trade idea was an S3 to an R3 traverse. This trade still looks pretty good to me. Actually, this is the best setup that I see this morning. We'll go through the weekly here to get an analysis. So what I have here is, this is the current range here that I have for Avalanche. We can see here this was a previous strong low, previous week high, and we can see here in this candle there was a market structure shift here that took out this strong low, and now this is the current strong low. Now this is the current strong high. This is the current week low here. And we can see some rejection from that level. Failed to break out to the long side from last week, and is either consolidating here for another move higher or a potential another leg lower here. Here on the 4 hour, we can see that the range that we're trading in right now, is rather large here, so a lot of room to go long or short. We can see some stop and volume come in here on this candle for this displacement, and then we've got the currency pair trading higher here, and now we're selling off a little bit again. Ideally here, up here on the 15-minute, what I would like to see here for an entry is a test of this order block right here, which currently we're within range of this order block, within about 50% here, this order block. So right now we're in range of where we would want to be here with the stop below here. But before I would want to take that, as you can see, these yellow lines here, this is the structure that I currently have. So this right here would be the low, and this would be the strong low. This would be the weak high. So what I would need to see is a break of structure up here. I need to see a break of structure up here. Once I get that break of structure, then get the pullback to this area in order to take the entry. But I do like this consolidation here in this area. But we'll see how Avalanche performs over the course of the pre-market and New York Open. Next up we have Stellar. So Stellar is setting up differently than the other currency pairs, Solana and Avalanche. It's setting up here near the R3 Camarilla pivot. So this gets my attention because it's near an area of premium. where Solana and Avalanche were down here at S3, which would put them in an area of discount, which would get the attention of buyers, where premium, I would be more apt to look for sell. So we can see here for our top down analysis, or my trade idea would be an R3 to an S3 traverse. And now for a top down analysis, we can see quite a large range that Stellar is trading in here on the weekly chart. Here on the 4 hour, we can see this is the current strong high. This is the current week low here. So in a downtrend on the 4 hour chart with a high volume profile here on this candle. And then up here on the 15-minute chart, we can see this morning that Stellar failed to break out at this R4 level and has been selling off pretty steadily since then below the R3 level and is now pulling back and retesting this R3 level here. I would anticipate, or ideally what I would like to see here would be a break of structure up here, and then a market structure shift to the short side, and then take the short trade. So based on what I'm seeing this morning with the three currency pairs that I'm watching, I would anticipate potentially some buying early in the trading day, and then some potential selling. But we'll see how the price action goes in the market today. This is On Tilt Trading with today's live market and crypto analysis pre-trade.